Prospero not only runs on laptops or desktop computers, but it can also run on smartphones and tablets. And it can also control multiple devices at the same time, allowing you to animate learning in classrooms in small groups or with individual tasks and activities. Setting these activities up or controlling them as a Prospero producer takes a little bit of getting used to, but this video should explain to you how to do this. We're going to use this particular smart script created by Prospero called Push Pull, which is about a project we created about telling stories of migration. You can find it in the Prospero store. You can see here that the smart script requires both a desktop computer, either a MacBook, a PC or a Chromebook, which has the Prospero browser extension automatically installed on it when you run the smart script. You'll see it also requires 3 other screens, either 3 tablets or 3 smartphones that are logged into Prospero and enabling 3 different sets of activities to take place simultaneously. So to make this work, we need a PC, MacBook or Chromebook, perhaps attached to an interactive whiteboard, and 3 smartphones or tablet computers available to us. So we click Free, add the smart script to our basket, and then go to our basket to check out. This smart script is free, so it's easy to access. We just add it to our player. And as you can see, Prospero has added it to the player. Now when I click on this here, the smart script will start. Now, because Prospero on our main screen requires 3 other devices, our tablets or smartphones, to be logged into Prospero, we need to set some things up at the start of the lesson for this to work. As you can see, the 3 roles that we have within this particular smart script are listed to the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have this code and a QR code. If you take your 3 other tablets or smartphones and scan that QR code, it will automatically take you to the website www.prospero.acta. Alternatively, you can just enter that into the toolbar of your URLs on your smartphone or tablet. When each of the 3 devices has reached prospero.acta, you are then able to use this code to log in to this smart script. When those 3 devices have been logged in, you can cast these 3 roles against the 3 screens, the 3 devices that you have logged into Prospero. It's much easier for me to demonstrate this with a video of actual activity. So now we're going to move across to watch some actors from the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama log into Prospero and run this smart script for themselves. It'll give you a much better flavour of how Prospero controls these devices in a classroom. This should help you as a teacher or a facilitator make sense of how to use these devices in your classroom, and if you're a producer, it will give you a sense of how these devices can be used to animate learning in the classroom. It's really very simple and easy.
Not there?
Well, there.
Nice. Okay, so start a new session. 3, 5, 9, 4. Name Jonathan.
And then join.
Super. Okay, so you're on there, and then I think if I just click, I can select who I want to be. So I'm just saying act 1, 2, 3. All
Act
good.
3.
Okay, so you're ready?
Yeah,
I'm
act
act
1.
2.
Lovely. Oh, no, here we go. Imagine the floor of the room is a map of the world. Decide which way is north, south, east, and west.
So we do north,
South,
east,
west. Yep.
We got it. All right. Now, everyone think of a place in the world which people currently face challenges. Go and stand in that place and say aloud where you are.
Chechnya.
Somalia, South America.
Lovely. So I'll click this and then you should get a little pop-up on your phones.
Think of a safe place in the world. Call to actor 2 the name of this place and tell them to travel there on our floor map. Scotland.
I'm actor 2, right?
When you have arrived, think of a safe place in the world. Call to actor 3 the name of this place and tell them to travel there on our floor map. Sweden. And then I click they have arrived.
When you have arrived, think of a safe place in the world. Call to actor 1 the name of this place and tell them to travel there on the floor map. Hereford.
Read this aloud.
Oh, look.
Today, more people are on the move than at any other point in human history.
In Syria, from a population of 22 million, 11 million people have been displaced. Click to cue narrator 3.
More than 680,000 Rohingya Muslim refugees have fled Buddhist-majority Myanmar to neighbouring Bangladesh since August 2017.
In the USA, President Donald Trump is standing by his signature campaign pledge of building a wall along the US border with Mexico, telling conservative activists Friday he'll get it built despite Democratic opposition in Congress.
We are calling on Congress to build a great border wall to stop dangerous drugs and criminals from pouring into our country. And now they're willing to give us the wall, but they don't want to give us any of the laws to keep these people out. So we're going to get the wall. End quote.